Friends, in this video, I will show you the application called BlueConnect, and I will try to log in front of you using my mobile number. The interface looks like this, where I just need to enter my mobile number and then simply sign in. Since long time I am trying to sign in, but I don't know why, but I am unable to sign in, okay? And I think there is some problem. I will show you the application in the Play Store that I am having the latest version of it. So you can check. This is the BlueConnect application by the company called Xflow Software Technology, and there is no update available, okay? So here is the application. The application looks like this, and I will simply enter my mobile number here. And now I will just click on sign in. So if I am unable to sign in the application, and I have been trying since long time, hopefully this should happen now. But as you can check, signing is not possible. It is taking longer than usual. The first time I signed it, I just click on the sign in button and the application opened instantly. But right now it is taking. Let's see here what happens. Please stay tuned with me so that we can also see that the signing is not possible. And if you are also facing the same problem, do let me know in the comment section so that we can just report it to the application owner in the Google Play Store that we are facing some issue with the application and the signing is not possible. As you can check, it is taking a lot of time and the signing is not possible again. We are unable to sign in the application BlueConnect. So we don't know what to do. We'll just wait, as because I have been trying this since long time, but the signing is not possible.